Hey, and welcome to the Miletus auto blog. So I told you from the last time we pulled the car out of the house and then we brought it for the engine to be pulled out. And guess what? The engine is already pulled out, and right here we came right when the gearbox will be dropped. So if you take a look around, everything is just everywhere.
Oh my god!
Well, I'm happy that the engine is down, although we noticed that the engine mounts are bad and the seating. We might have to change that and then we'll go check out a new engine for this car. So you can take a look at the other one just sitting there, the old engine. If you don't know, the engine that's here is the VG33E, no, not the E, the VG33, which makes about 175, and it's fairly okay, but packs a whole lot of torque to about 200 Newton meters. Fairly okay, so we'll find some within that variant. We're not using one from the extra per se, so we'll take one from a 1995 to 1999 Pathfinder, which is like very the same engine, which is the VG33 before they made into the VQ, and then dropping it inside here. So stay tuned. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I always tell you subscribe because it's a whole lot of vibes. It's very sunny, and I would like you to just look around. Alright, so while the engine is out, I'll be explaining some of the things that you conventionally, for those of you who do not know, which are in here. Taking the engine out, we have the engine mounting, this is the engine sitting here, and some of the other things that you find, this mounts here so that you can, place the engine. This is bad, so we'll change that, find another one. Then the wiring harnesses. These harnesses, pick sensors from the injectors, the mass airflow and all of that, and takes it down to the ECU, which is like inside the computer. Most of you guys know that you tune the cars and tell it so much power. That's the gearbox, the automatic gearbox, which is very exposed now, and then the exhaust, which connects to the manifold. It doesn't look like much, but when everything starts coming together, you see that it's actually very nice and well thought about. I'll be so glad to see this come back. Call this a torque converter. So what this basically does is it converts the power that the engine is sending out of there with the gearbox, and then talks to each other. How much power is the engine making, so that it can carry it into the gearbox. You see how it's mounted inside, and how it works. Yeah. So you see, it spins like that and then sends power to the flywheel. The flywheel is over there. Connects with the flywheel. The gearbox is coming out. Finally, the transmission is out, and hopefully we'll go to check out a new one. I know the guys here must have had a very long day, but thank God it's a success. Everything is out. So we're checking for an engine and transmission. Hopefully the new one's coming, and then we can, although we noticed that some of the wiring harnesses have bunts, and all these clips here, they are bad, so we might need to check that out before the new ones come in, and then so that we can have no issues, because the ECU has to read everything. So we'll check the harnesses, check the wiring, and then an electrician will do that later on. For the major thing, the engine and transmission is out. So thank you for sticking around. If you're not still subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because this build is all you guys have been waiting for, and I'm bringing it hot. Hopefully we'll see that the car is driving and it's out of here. So the exterior will be back. We'll think about a name for this eventually and a merch for this particular build because it's been awesome. So let's wait for the next ones. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. So peace out.